Welcome to this channel, traders. Today I have a strategy for Vix75. You are going to love it because it's simple and it works. I tested it today with these trades and it is so powerful. On the running trades, I still have these ones. Don't mind the Vix50. I haven't confirmed it yet, but you can check it out for yourself. This is a demo account. Okay, I was testing a new strategy, but since it works, you can apply it on your live account. Let us just go ahead and see how this whole thing works. I don't know how to draw here. Maybe let's use this platform because I'm familiar with it. Let's say this is the Vix75 chart. Let me show you this other thing before I proceed. This is another strategy that I have been testing, but I think I spoke about this one before. But this time I was testing it on a funded account. I want to see if it's possible to meet the requirements using it. But I think I'll talk about it by the end of this video. Okay, and remember that I have this group where I send my private strategies. So once it is ready, I might just post it here. So make sure you are part of this group. And for those who register on FXView and make a deposit, I add them into that group. Okay, even if it's the minimum deposit, I will add you in that group. This is a good ECN broker. Okay, it's got really low spreads, it's regulated, award winning. The deposit methods, you have all that you can look for, including perfect money. The trading platforms, you have your MT4 MT5 Act Trader. Just use the link in the video description so that you can be added in that group. Let's come back to our Vix75. I'm going to put a video in the video description of how to open an account on these synthetics. So if you don't know this stuff, just go and check that video. So I call it corner breakouts because if this is the Vix75 chart, okay, this is a corner. Where is that drawing thing now? That's a corner. That's another corner. Okay, and then for me to call it a corner breakout is because if that is a corner and you mark that key level, if price will make it to close above that corner on Vix75, just buy. Don't hesitate, just buy, because it is very much likely that it continues in that direction. Okay, so let me just go to the chart so that we can look at the real thing. This is the Vix75 chart. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Of course, it works on any time frame, but I would advise that you stick to the smaller time frames because Vix75 is so powerful. A small move will give you a lot of money. Okay, and make sure to use smaller lots. So let's look at what I was talking about. Okay, let me use the arrows. That was a corner there. Okay, I'll just point at the corners for those who really want things to be simplified for them. That's a corner. That's another corner. And please, traders, don't focus on areas like these ones. You see, within this region, there is no real corner that I can point at. Price was just dropping. Okay, I want you to focus on visible corners like this one. Okay, that one you can mark it as a corner. Okay, there was another one, pivot point. Okay, and within this region there was no visible pivot point, traders. So make sure you focus on something that is very much visible. What do you do after identifying the corner? Okay, let's say you identify that one when price was making a turnaround. This is all that you do. Okay, you mark it like that, and then okay, there was another corner there. You see that one? You also mark it like that. Okay, so when price closed above here, you take a buy trade. Okay, so right now you have that corner which price left up there. Okay, so this is what you do. You mark like that. That's your current key level that you are looking at. If price will come and close above this, you take a buy trade. Okay, and once you take a buy trade, or maybe I can talk about the stops and TPs on some other video, but then it's easy. You just look at the previous turning points which price made. You have that one, and then you also have that one and that one also. So if you are to find a buy trade, your TP is supposed to be there. That's your first TP, second TP, okay, and then your third TP somewhere there. So this should be easy, traders. Don't complicate matters. Just identify a turning point. Okay, right now it's like price is giving you another turning point there, but it's still not clear. Okay, it's still not clear, but if it will become a clear turning point and then you see price closing below there, you take a sell trade, and then after taking the sell trade, you mark these turning points. Okay, you mark that turning point, and then you mark that turning point at the bottom. Those will be your take profits. Okay, let me just show you what I was talking about. Okay, these are the trades that I showed you. So far it's in profit. I haven't made any losses, as you have seen. Let me show you on the trades that I took. Okay, so those are the trades that I had down there. Okay, it's been all wins. It's been all wins. The win rate is 100%. Okay, I am going to continue trade this account so that I can be sure if that strategy really works on a funded account. If it works, I'll use it for those accounts. Okay, this is the strategy I am referring to. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you.